Hello everyone, welcome to Python Scripter. This is first video of Python for beginners. Our outcome of this video is to install Python and set up in environment variables. First of all, I am opening CMD and typing Python in my computer. I got this one, Python 3.8.3, so Python is installed in my computer. After this video, you are able to install Python. Open Chrome and search for Python website. Usually the first website is the official one. Python download Python. I am using Windows, so I am going for Windows. You may install Linux or Mac OS. The file is downloading. It is approximately 25 MB. Easy installation. Okay, the exe file is downloaded. I am going to open it. After installing, the process is known as setup. Install now. I don't need custom installation, and add Python 3.82 path. This is the path I am telling about. It will set the path in environment variables. I actually have downloaded Python before, so I am going to cancel it. You must download the whole setup. After download, it will tell to open. Okay, the download is completed. Open CMD Python. Okay, you will be able to see this one. If you try to print hi, checking whether Python is working or not, print hi, it will print hi. Okay, Python is working. Our download is completed. I am using Sublime Text as my text editor. I wrote a single line of program and saving it as my first program. Save as first.program. I have already saved, that's why it's showing me Python. Okay, I'm closing this. You can download Sublime Text from this website. I'm opening my program in a folder with command prompt. Type Python first.py. It is running and I am a Python programmer. Simple.